Can I make a Venmo without a phone number? Intro. Hook. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly send or receive money but didn't have your phone handy? Maybe you were at a party, a concert, or simply misplaced your device. It's a common occurrence, and it can be frustrating when you rely on apps like Venmo for quick transactions. So, the burning question is, can you actually make a Venmo account without a phone number? Building context. Venmo's role. Let's dive into why Venmo is so popular. It's a peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to easily send and receive money to friends and family. It's like having a digital wallet right on your phone. But what if you don't have that phone? The phone number dilemma. Venmo, like many other mobile apps, primarily uses phone numbers as a primary identifier. It's a convenient way to link your account to your identity and ensure security. However, it also creates a dependency on having your phone readily available. Exploring alternatives. Email verification. While phone numbers are the standard, some apps do offer alternative verification methods. In the case of Venmo, there's a possibility of using email verification. However, this is not a guaranteed option. It might be available under certain circumstances, such as if you've already used your email to sign up for a Venmo account. Third-party apps. If Venmo isn't an option, there are other peer-to-peer payment apps that might allow you to create an account without a phone number. These apps could offer alternative verification methods like social media accounts or email addresses. Cash alternatives. Before we delve deeper into these alternatives, let's explore some traditional methods of sending and receiving money that don't require a phone. Cash is still a reliable option, although it might not be as convenient for larger amounts or long distances. Checks and money orders. For larger transactions, checks and money orders can be used. However, these methods require physical delivery, which might not be ideal in every situation. Banks and ATMs. If you have a bank account, you can use ATMs or online banking to transfer money. This is a secure option, but it might not be as immediate as using a mobile app. The pros and cons of phoneless payments. Convenience. The biggest advantage of using a phone-based payment app like Venmo is convenience. You can send and receive money instantly, often with just a few taps on your screen. However, this convenience comes at the cost of being reliant on your phone. Security. Phone-based apps often have security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and fraud detection. However, losing your phone or having it compromised can pose security risks. Accessibility. For individuals who don't have smartphones or who have limited access to technology, phone-based payment apps can be a barrier. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the original question, can you make a Venmo account without a phone number? While it's not the standard way, there might be some situations where it's possible, such as using email verification or exploring alternative payment apps. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the best option for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. If you frequently need to send or receive money and don't always have your phone handy, it might be worth exploring alternative payment methods. Call to action. If you have any questions or experiences with phoneless payments, feel free to share them in the comments below. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.